Namaste everyone. I'm Aditi Jain and I'm a yoga enthusiast. I've been practicing yoga since past 8-9 years and it has given me a new perspective of life. This session is particularly designed for people working in the corporate sector. They have particularly a very static lifestyle working on the chair, on their desktop, and I actually thank Access for giving me this opportunity to actually conduct a session and talk to some people about the benefits of yoga and to show them how very simple asana practices can also prove very helpful for their back, for their neck issues, for their eyesight, and for their overall well-being. So let's start. We'll start with a very basic stretch of the hand in which you breathe deeply. Inhale and exhale slowly. Exhale. Feel the calmness entering your body with every inhalation and every exhalation. Put your hands on your shoulders and just rotate with every inhalation and every exhalation. Inhale and exhale. Inhale halfway through the rotation and exhale halfway through the rotation. Anti-clockwise inhale and exhale. In our everyday lifestyle, with our desktop work, we are always dropping our shoulders, which creates a lot of back and neck issues. So today we are going to do a counter to the same. Just interlock your fingers this way and interlock them at the back in the way I'm showing you. Now stretch your hands a little bit backwards and inhale slowly. Exhale and inhale and exhale. Now turn towards the left and move your feet towards the left as well. Slowly bend down. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Do not bend down a lot in case you have back issues. It's just to make your body stretch and come out of your static position. Similarly, turn towards your right and bend down just a little bit, just as far as you're comfortable. Do not stress your body. Slowly come upwards and release your arms. With every inhalation, try to move your neck first towards the right. Inhale. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Inhale. And move your neck in a clockwise direction very slowly with your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Anti-clockwise. Inhale and exhale. This is called the Kati Chakrasana, which is a set of 4 asanas put together to improve and help in your digestive system. So we'll begin with our hands straight, parallel to our shoulders, and slowly we'll move towards our back, taking our hands behind us. 1, center, 2. Now change. One hand, your left hand, your right shoulders, your right hand on your left shoulders or on your back, as far back as you can reach. 1. Change your hand, right hand on your left shoulders, left hand back. 2. Change. Put your hand on your waist and try to look at your feet through the gap in your arm. 1, 2. Do not forget to breathe. Now we move our way. 1, 2. Keep inhaling and exhaling. 1, 2, 2. Put your fingers in an interlock position. Keep your palms on your head, fingers interlocked. We are going to do the Tadasana or the mountain pose. We'll stretch just a little bit. Stand on your toes. Hold the position for as long as possible and then come back to the center. Hands down. Now, spread your legs 6 feet apart. Interlock your fingers. This time the palms will face towards the sky. Bend down towards your left. Come back to the center and inhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale and bend down to your right. Come back to the center and inhale. Now we'll do the sitting asanas and we'll sit in the Sukhasana posture. The Sukhasana posture is very similar to the folded legs posture that you do in your everyday. But here you do not have to overlap your legs. So the left leg will be in front of the right leg. Something like this. Put your wrists on your knees and feel the calmness within. Keep your spine straight and breathe slowly but deeply. Inhale and exhale. Attach your left hand towards your left. Don't put it very far away from you, neither very close, just at a comfortable distance. Your right hand touching your right ears and bend down as far back as you can. Do not forget to breathe. For those who are comfortable, you can also put your hands far away from yourself to feel the maximum stretch. Return to the center and repeat this exercise on your right. Keep your legs in a straight line like this. Keep your spine straight. Now fold your right leg from your right knee and put it across your left leg like this. With your left hand, push your right knee towards your left, your right knee resting at the back of the floor, and look backward. Repeat the same on your left. So now we'll move on to the breathing exercises. The first one being Anulom Vilom. With your right thumb, close your right nostril and breathe through your left one. Breathe as deep as you can. Close your left nostril from your ring finger and exhale from your right nostril. Inhale from your right nostril and exhale from your left. The second breathing exercise is breathing from the tongue or Shikli. Roll your tongue like this and inhale. A third breathing exercise is inhalation from the teeth and exhalation from the nostrils. Clench your teeth like this, tightly, and inhale. Exhale. Now we practice Kapalbhati. Take a deep inhalation hold your breath and do quick, forceful exhalations, something like this. Just put your right hand on your stomach and feel it going inside. Now we'll conclude the yoga session for today with Om. Put your fingers, the index finger and the thumb together. Put your arms straight. Rest your wrists on your knees, your back straight. Inhale deeply and chant Om. Rub your palms together. Feel the heat generating in your palms and gently keep the warm palms on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. I'm sure that today's yoga session would have helped you in feeling rejuvenated and alive. I thank Aphrodite for understanding the importance of yoga with ancient Indian practice and for bringing it to the members of their organization. I hope that the members through today's session are feeling relaxed, are feeling different from their day-to-day, everyday work and feeling very close to their body and close to their soul.